elevator at the restaurant and cafe of IKEA and Paramus, New Jersey. And it's here. There's all the way back to this entrance is actually for the one at the restaurant and cafe. Let's go. Let's go down to one. I don't know which button closes that door right here. Okay, anyways, here we go.
Second floor.
Really? There we go. Some sound right there. Why does it keep opening? Oh, okay. Okay. Weird. Oh, there we go. We got Dutch mode. Watch the button go on. And the maximum capacity, maybe 10,000 pounds as well. Oh. There it goes. We're just waiting for them to go. Then we're gonna go. There it goes up to 2. I can literally hear the motor. It's the elevator to showroom. With the elevator. Okay. Here it is. Alright, now let's get back up. This one's actually also a bit double. Let's go up to 2. Here we go. Oh, okay. Wow, that was epic exposure. Okay, there you got your phone in the arm right there. Here, we'll hold the door for them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, anyways, that's it.